Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have a Vevor air compressor. It's a horizontal model. So let's open it up, take a look, see everything that we get inside, and just kind of give you an idea of the box. And it's not super heavy. Okay. So on top, we have the instruction manual. Looks like we have both wheels. I was going to lean it all the way forward, but it looks like that there's some other loose accessories in here as well. So we'll get those out. I think there's one more. Yeah, so give you a general idea. Looks like the two axle pieces. And let's get this foam off the top. And again, that gives you a better view of what's inside. I think we're gonna lean this on the side of the box. Pull that out. And let's get this box out of the way. Okay. So nice compact. Let's get that out of the plastic wrap. Okay. So I'll give you a full view. Okay, so it looks like this is your on and off switch for the compressor. This obviously came loose during shipping, but there's a little screw in there, so we'll just tighten that down. So that's off, that's on. Okay. And then let's take a look at the instruction manual. So let me bring this closer. So that's your instruction manual. Nothing too exciting in here, just some more detailed operating instructions and setup, and kind of tells you how this all goes. So break-in procedure, lubrication. So it just kind of goes over some basic stuff in there. Okay, so let's set up these wheels. Looks like it's pretty basic. So we'll slide that axle through, and then that hole right there is where we put this at. Let's tilt this on its side. Kind of get some easier access. So you put that lock washer on, and then we just kind of get that bolt started. So that's that. Let's just size that up underneath. Okay, so that's that side. Okay. So that's how that sits. So this is the 8-gallon storage tank. And it has a quick connect for your air hoses here. It does have a relief valve underneath here. So definitely make sure that you drain that after each use. So yeah, pretty easy. This is your power cord. Okay. So that's our power cord. Pretty generous length considering. Let's plug it in. And then let's turn it on. And you do have these 2 filter areas. So kind of, let me open these up. So these are some air filters. So if you are using this in a like a high dust environment, what you would do is basically just screw that in there. And then that is your ability to filter out any of the air going in. So even if you're outside and it's like a lot of pollen and stuff, definitely use these to help keep that working well. And then you have your pressure regulator here, so it can increase or decrease that amount of pressure that you have going into your regulator. Pressure, pretty easy to see, so that's pretty cool. And I like to usually set, depending on what we're using, about 90 pounds is probably pretty good. So the cutoff seems to be almost at 120 pounds on that. So very nice. And yeah, there you go. Anyway, let's go outside and test this. I'm actually building a shed, so I'm going to hook this up to my little palm nailer, and which is very air hungry. I have a smaller 3-gallon pancake compressor, and the thing is constantly going on. Hopefully this 8-gallon will make a big difference on that, which I believe it will. So let's test it out and stay tuned. Okay, we're outside with our Vevor nailer hooked up to our Vevor 8-gallon compressor. So it's fully charged up to pressure, so let's see how many nails we get, and we go from there. Alright, so there's quite a bit of nails before compressor kicked on. And outside it's nice and quiet. Anyway, Brian from Goswell Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.